Oh my god, I'm really so happy that I got my this, guys. Ang lakas ng magnet niya, as in, bilhin niyo na kung ako sa inyo.
Hello everyone! So, welcome back to my video. So, today's lang naman na video nito is I'm really excited kasi look what just came by. Guys, I buy this with my own money. So, guys, ano siya, microphone for vlogging. Kasi alam niyo na, kasi lately I'm into vlogging. So, gusto ko mag-invest sa microphones and I buy one. And then, meron naman ako, but ayoko nito kasi basag-basag siya. And then, nung umalis kami, nilagay ko siya sa bag kasi wala siyang lagyanan. And then, ending, nasira yung clip niya. See? Nasira yung clip niya. And then, nahihirapan din kasi akong i-clip ito sa damit. So, parang, need ko mag-invest. And then, nung June, may nakita akong microphone. But sabi, wala pa kasi akong pera before. So, hindi ko talaga siya nabili. But today, nabili ko na siya, guys. Ano siya, magnetic yung clip niya. So, mapapa-easy ang aking buhay. Anyway, let's open this. Ito siya, it is TNW. I'm really sad guys kasi kakapunta ko lang sa live ng TNW and then nasa sale sila and then yung dalawa nito, 499. Sayang! Like, literal. And ito, nabili ko siya 499 yung isa. I'm really sad. It is TNW A2. A2 siya kapag isa lang siya. A3 naman kapag dalawa ang microphone. I buy one is yung beige kasi close yun sa dilaw. Yellow is my favorite color. So, yeah. Let's open this up. Ito, may mga kulay-kulay siya and kaya talaga niya. Ayaw. Basta may black, may pink, may beige, may white, and may hot pink. Anyway guys, hindi siya sponsor. Guys, I'm really excited. It comes with this. Okay, it comes, may lagyanan na siya. Lagyanan niya is waterproof. May ano siya. Ang ganda niya. Dilaw. Guys. And anyway, yung receiver nito, 2-in-1 na siya. Kung Android ka, pwede rin siya Type-C. And kung iPhone, ayan. I'm really excited. Super, di mo alam. And then, ito yung kanyang mic. Wait, ayaw asing investment to guys. Here.
Hello everyone. Oh my god, I'm really so happy that I got by this, guys. Ayan, nakakonect na siya. And then, ito na sinasabi ko yung magnetic. Y'all, you don't see this, guys. Alam mo, papagaan ang buhay-buhay ko dito, guys. Dalawa siya, ito. Dalawa yung magnet niya, yung pang-clip.
Luckily, I've watched so many unboxing videos of these products that I know they all come in a blue box, so I didn't have to jump scare thinking that they sent me the wrong color. I could cry. I cannot tell you.
Kaso, something is missing. The fur.
I was so torn between the toaster, the kettle, the coffee maker, and the espresso machine. Those are my absolute favorites. And
The fur! Dilaw din siya. Oh my god. Oh my
it seemed like a really easy. It's so clean and pretty looking. I just know this would be my most exclusive clients.
Ang ganda! Hello everyone! So, ito na nga. Ginagamit ko na siya. Titignan natin kung nagka-cancel siya ng noise or not. But, kaganina kasi nagpi-play siya itong TV tapos hindi siya na-cancel noise. But I will try again and again and again! Ito try ko yung magnet, guys. And the-magnet din siya kasi ang lakas ng magnet niya. As in, na-try ko na to. Hindi ko alam. Ang saya ko. Malakas siya kasi nakikita ko dito yung volume ng voice ko kung malakas pa or low. And dito, kapag nagsalita ako, nakikita ko, malakas na siya. Okay. And ang lakas ng magnet niya. As in, again. Rinig niyo yan. Anyway, ilagay ko kayo dito. Ito yung gustuhan ko dito kasi magnet siya. And then, nakapadali lang ang pag-click niya sa mga damit-damit mo. Yeah. Wait. Ito try kong i-on yung TV. Rinig yung ano guys, yung background noise. Hello? Okay. Nakikita ko dito sa screen ko, merong voice na naka-catch up ang we're great, we're okay. Hindi ko pa siya tanggal yung ano niya. Yung plastic niya. Kaya best lang kahit rinig pa rin yung background noise kasi okay lang. Yan. I'm so happy. Hindi nyo alam kung gaano ako kasaya right now. Right now, guys. Bilhin nyo na kung ako sa inyo.